Error, can't open display, 0. I installed WSL2 and I want to access WSL2 GUI apps from Windows 10. For this, I installed xming and started in no client mode. Xming starties, OK. After I open the WSL2 terminal and execute these commands. And after. And get error. X11 forwarding checked, yes.
Solved problem with executing this command. This command can also be added in shell initialization files, for example, .bashrc, .zshrc, etc. Also make sure to allow public access of X server running in Windows 10. For VCXSRV, AC option is most important because it allows public access. For xming, run throughs launch and in the part specify parameters settings select no access control. For more see this discussion Microsoft/WSL, can't use X server in WSL2.
I encountered this issue after changing the version of my WSL Ubuntu distribution from 1 to 2. Using was not sufficient. According to this URL, I needed to reconfigure the firewall. This can be done by going to Advanced Security and GT, Inbound Rules, Admin Permissions Required, delete all rules for VCXSVR, restarting VCXSVR, which prompts you to set Windows Firewall for this program, allow all, or enough, access. After these two changes, the problem was solved.
Follow these steps. Open PowerShell as administrator and run new net firewall rule displaying WSL direction inbound interface alias Ethernet, WSL, action allow. Now open WSL2 and run, export display equals $cat/etc/resolve.conference, grab name server, awk print $2, exit, comma column 0. Now excise.
For Linux using F0 equals slurp with the default configuration, xming on the Windows host can be accessed using export display equals 10.0.2.2 column 0 or 0.0. Using Biswaprio's solution would not work in this case because slurp sets the resolver IP to 10.0.2.3, but his answer made me realize what I was doing wrong.
If you want to support